I remember one day my dad was playing poker. I was like, Dad, I need a new pair of Converse, right? And he's like, I see those, those shoes on your feet. They still work, right? And I'm like, yeah. And he's like, well, when you have a job, you can buy whatever you want. But until then, those shoes still work. And I'm like, Dad, I can't get a job. I'm 12 years old. And one of his poker buddies speaks up and goes, yeah, I got a job for you. I'm like, what? He goes, I've got these boxes of garbage bags, and you can go sell them around the neighborhood. And I'm like, cool.
Like boxes of
garbage bags, right? So literally, I would go to our neighbors, and I go, hi, I'm your neighbor, Mark. Do you use garbage bags?
You sound like a Shark Tank.
Yeah, right? Yeah, exactly. And of course, everybody uses garbage bags. So I'll never forget, they cost me $3 for a box of 100. I would sell them for $6, and I would just take them to them every couple of weeks, right? Whenever they needed more garbage bags. And I'm making $20 a week, which was like big time. And I got my shoes, and, but that taught me to be confident. And that taught me that I could sell. And that taught me that selling was helping, not convincing.